Have you ever wondered how to make money online with affiliate marketing? It's a question that bounces around the minds of many who have dipped their toes into the vast ocean of the internet. Today, we're going to delve into the depths of this question and unravel the mystery that is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, for those who may be new to the term, is essentially a process of earning a commission by promoting the products or services of others. It's like being a middleman, but in the digital world. The first step in this journey is to establish a strong online presence. This doesn't mean just setting up a website and waiting for the traffic to roll in. It requires a professional and engaging online persona, complemented by the regular creation and sharing of high-quality content. This could be a blog, social media posts, podcasts, or any medium that resonates with your intended audience. Once you've established a presence, the next step is to research and select the right products or services to promote. Look for high-quality offerings that align with your niche and offer a substantial commission rate. Remember, your reputation is on the line, so promoting inferior products can damage your credibility. Now you've got your platform and your products, but how do you convince your audience to make a purchase? The key is to provide value. By offering genuine, useful information and insights, you build trust with your audience. And a trusting audience is far more likely to make a purchase through your affiliate link. But here's a tip. Don't limit yourself to one channel for promoting products. Diversify your approach. Use your website, social media platforms, email list, and even paid advertising to reach a wider audience and increase your chances of making a sale. Finally, don't forget to monitor and optimize your campaigns. Use analytics tools to track your affiliate marketing efforts, determine what's working and what's not, and adjust your strategy accordingly. In summary, successful affiliate marketing involves building a strong online presence, choosing the right products to promote, providing value to your audience, using multiple channels for promotion, and regularly monitoring and optimizing your campaigns. These steps, while not exhaustive, provide a solid foundation for anyone looking to dive into the world of affiliate marketing. Remember, affiliate marketing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires dedication, patience, and continuous learning. But with the right approach and mindset, it can become a lucrative source of income. So, why wait? Start your affiliate marketing journey today, and who knows, the next successful affiliate marketer could be you. Before we move on, if you found this guide helpful and want to keep learning, don't forget to smash that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. We're constantly working on more guides, tips, and tricks to help you succeed in the online world, so stay tuned. Now, let's move on to some exciting news and freebies. Remember, your journey to financial freedom is just getting started. For more tips and freebies, go to billycolbertusa.com.